movie day?
As I've said before, the first time I got to interview Liza was for an episode of Mixed Daily Top 10
Yes.
back in 2013.
Tagal na nun.
And noon, hindi pa sila love team ni Enrique, of course. She was guesting for her appearance sa Must Be Love, yung
Okay.
film nila ni Katniel. Siya yung third party pa doon. Tapos, tinanong ko na sa kanya, what if ikaw, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong ka-love team?
Yeah.
Who would you want to choose? And speaking of love team naman, kung ikaw, papipiliin ka na magiging ka-love team mo, sino ang pipiliin mo? And do you remember what your answer to that was, Liza? Feeling mo ikaw?
Ano mo yun? Sino ba yun?
Sabi ko, Samuel B.
Wow, talaga, love team. Sino ba
Liza,
yan?
meron kaming footage eh.
Talaga? Pakita nga natin.
Secret. Meron ba? I-share mo naman sa mga mixed viewers natin kung sino gusto mo maka-love team.
Si Enrique Hill po.
Enrique Hill! Ay, napaka-perfect niyang batang yan talaga. So, do you remember your answer, Liza?
Opo.
Sino? Ikaw yung
Ako
sinagot
ba
niya
yun?
talaga.
Hindi ako yun. Hindi ako yun. Joke lang.
Ano mo sabi mo doon, Enrique, na 2013 pa lang, sinabi niya na actually, ang bet niya talagang maka-love team na ikaw.
Siyempre.
Kasi nung time na yun, maisip kasi.
Ganun.
Tapos,
yeah.
na-realize kong
Okay lang, okay
kasama
lang.
kita kay Ate Ana.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Intindihan ko. Joke lang. Siyempre, masaya. Natuwa ako. Kasi, ayun. At natuloy nga. Ang galing ni Lord, may forever.
Yes! O yun nga, tatanungin din namin, syempre lahat gusto itong malaman. Para sa inyo ba, may forever? Let's
Oo.
start with you.
Opo. Wow. Opo, my forever talaga. My forever. Maniwala kayo.
Enrique?
Ako naniniwala ako sa may forever. Yung ibang tao sinasabi na walang forever. Para sa inyo. Para sa akin. Meron.
Alam mo ay kahit wala ako doon sa interview, ramdam ko pa rin talaga ang kilig na binibigay ng Liz Ken. But another big part of the movie is the music.
The theme song entitled Smile in Your Heart is performed by the handsome boys of Haran.
Brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration.
Natutuwa po ako na nagkaroon ng opportunity to do a theme song for a film of this magnitude. Gusto ko din makita ang Liz Ken.
Ano yung reaction mo when you found out that you were going to sing one of the theme songs sa movie ng Liz Ken?
My God. Nagulat ako actually. I found out siguro mga hours lang before recording. The next day, music video shoot. So very surreal.
Nakaka-overwhelm kasi pinagkatiwalaan ulit kami. This is our second time na kumanta ng OST para sa isang malaking movie ulit. Binigyan kami ng lakas ng loob na gawin itong project na to kahit na alam namin na mas maraming deserving na pwedeng kumanta nito. And maraming salamat Star Cinema, Star Music, and ABS-CBN. Maraming salamat po. Buong Haranay nagpapasalamat sa inyo. We love you.
Aside from the theme song, the movie also contains several original compositions at nabigyan tayo ng sample ng Liz Ken.
Ayun, so for mixed viewers, sobrang marami kami original songs, original music. Aabangan nyo yun. May mga original na kanta by Trina Bellamide, and then may mga EDM music kami by Curse and Bless, and then more original songs. So yun yung gusto ko kasi parang pwede siya for the mixed audience.
Sample! Alam mo, ang dami talaga naghihintay sa'yo dito. Yung mga hindi dapat pumasok today, pumasok sila para lang makita ka, Liza. So,
Thank
pwede bang
you.
bigyan sila ng sample?
With you in my life, there is nothing I want more. With you in my life, by my side forevermore. All the sorrows and tears of yesterday have faded away. Now tomorrow looks so bright, baby, with you in my life.
Yeah!
That song Liza and Enrique just sang was featured in the movie. It's an original track, and talagang dun sa movie, nung play na yung song na yun, lahat talaga nagtitilian
Naku,
sa sinehan.
sigurado yan.
Yes, ang ganda na ng movie, ang ganda pa ng eksena. It was really just a perfect combination of those two. So, guys, abangan nyo yan.
So ikaw, Ai, napanood mo na pala itong movie na Just the Way You Are, ha?
Twice!
Twice na!
Oo, nung red carpet premiere, tapos kinabukasan, may block screening si Direct Ted, in-invite din kami. So parang, talagang alam ko na yung buong story. By heart, yung mga hugot lines, yung soundtrack, nasa ano ko na, LSS ko na siya, ganon. And talagang as expected, yung red carpet premiere, kagulo talaga, guys. Tingnan nyo.
Malakas to, malakas. Ang daming tao eh. No? Marami na rin tao sa loob.
Of course, Liz ganyan eh. Talaga sinusupport ko. The chemistry is undeniable.
And I know that
Ano po masasabi niyo sa love team na Liz Ken? Iba ang karisma.
Kagigil.
Coming from the success of Forevermore, sa tingin niyo po ano magiging resulta nitong Just the Way You Are?
My goodness, this should be one of the biggest blockbusters kasi knowing kung gaano kasabik ang mga tao sa Lisken, di ba?
We knew naman that this is a pair na parang will go places and may chemistry talaga. She's the one pa lang talagang poof!
Tambalang Lisken, super happy ako kasi they found each other.
Actually, hindi ko rin na-expect to at hindi rin kami makapaniwala ng kanyang discovery reto. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, lahat ng mga nangyayari sa iyo niya, anak, gawin mo na lang panghugot yan para makaarte ka, makaiyak ka ng totoo. Yon, makapag-emote ka yan. Kaya yan, ngayon napakahusay niyang umarte.
Why did you come tonight? Who did you come to support? Of course, Eliza, and because she's my best friend. And of course, patisingit ko friend ko din siya.
He's been my boy since day one. Kaya all out support ako sa kanya.
I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I have found. Oh, I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if
Nakakilig, sobra.
Grabe, ang ganda kahit lalaki kikiligin.
Cool, nakakababa ng self-esteem yung ganda ni Liza.
Nakakakilig po sobra, the best siya. Perfect love team of the year!
Blockbuster, the best!
Kilig na kilig ako, hindi ko pansin, naihina pala ako sa kilig.
Sobra nakakakilig, nakakatuwa, nakakaloka. Nakakakilig, we love you, Enrique!
Because I'm supposed to be partial, so I shouldn't be saying it. But it was really great. It was better than I could imagine.
How proud of you.
Oh, completely proud. And his father, who is my brother, he would have been so proud of his son. I think he's there in heaven looking down to him saying, good job.
So kakapanood ka lang ng Just the Way You Are, guys. And I think it's one of my most favorite Star Cinema movies ever. Kasi, alam nyo, sa umpisan, when I watched the trailer, I've seen this plot before. Yung, may bet, pagpupusahan yung girl. Tapos, pangit yung girl, papagandahin. Pero alam nyo dito, sobrang iba yung atake nila. They made it work. Ang galing-galing. And super nakakakilig ang Liz Ken, guys. And of course, ang pinaka na-surprise ako is that ang galing ng pag-arte dito na ng Liz Ken and all the other cast members. Kasi ang daming beses na paiyak talaga ako. Yung buong cinema, dalang-dala nila. Parang may isang sumigaw nga na parang ano ba to, parang prayer meeting na ba to? Kasi talagang bawat halos bawat line, ang dami nag-react, parang may response. Kahit hindi kayo Lizken, I think you will be fans of Lizken, and I think you will love this movie. So guys, panoorin nyo na.
Just the Way You Are is now showing in cinemas and I am sure na magiging box office hit ito,
For
guys.
sure yan, itaga mo na sa Bato,
Oo.
Chino. Inabang ko na nga yung susunod na Lizken movie. Grabe. But don't go anywhere, guys, because when Mixed Movie Date returns, we feature 2 horror flicks opening in cinemas this week and a love team